In this video, we will discuss what is VM sprawl, what is VM escape, causes of VM sprawl and VM escape, and also how to prevent VM sprawl and VM escape. In the world of virtualization, these two issues are of significant risk and lead to serious security and operational issues. Picture the scenario. Your organization has embraced virtualization and you're running numerous virtual machines on your hypervisor. As the time goes by, you keep deploying new virtual machines to meet various needs, but there's a problem. Your virtual machines are multiplying like numbers. It happens when administrators create new virtual machines to meet specific demands, but forget to decommission or manage them effectively. The result is an excessive number of virtual machines, which can lead to several challenges. The first problem is resource wastage, increased licensing cost, and higher operational workload. Unused VMs still consume a lot of storage, memory, and computing power that affects the performance of entire virtual environment. Additionally, managing and securing numerous virtual machines become a daunting task, making it difficult for your IT teams to keep a track of all the virtual instances and their configurations. With many virtual machines, it becomes challenging to keep a track of all of them, leading to difficulties in maintenance and troubleshooting. What is VM escape? Now, VM escape is a security vulnerability that allows an attacker to break out of virtual machine and access the underlying system host and other virtual machine. This can have severe consequences as the attacker gains unauthorized access to sensitive data and can potentially compromise the entire virtualized environment. This type of an attack exploits vulnerabilities in virtualization software or misconfigurations in your VM setup. Attackers can execute malicious code within the virtual machine, leading to an unauthorized access and potential privilege escalation. Once the attacker escapes from the virtual machine, they can move laterally within the virtual infrastructure, making it even more challenging to detect and contain the threat. So, what causes VM sprawl and VM escape, and how do you prevent them from getting exploited? In case of VM sprawl, it often occurs due to lack of proper virtual machine lifecycle management and not keeping track of which virtual machine which are deployed are still needed and no longer in use. This can quickly lead to an uncontrolled VM sprawl. And in case of a VM escape, on the other hand, this is often a result of an outdated or an unpatched virtualization software misconfiguration and lack of inadequate isolation between the virtual machines. So, how do you prevent these from happening? You can adopt some strategies to prevent VM sprawl and VM escape. First is to regularly review the audit and virtual infrastructure to identify and decommission unused or unnecessary virtual machines to prevent VM sprawling. You also need to implement secure access control and network segmentation to reduce the impact of potential VM escape. Also, this control, which applies to both, is to always keep your virtualization software or hypervisor up to date with the latest security patches and follow best practices for secure virtual machine configuration. And lastly, always make sure to use the best use of automation tools to help manage the virtual machines more efficiently. So, in conclusion, VM sprawl and VM escape are significant concerns in virtualized environments, but with proper understanding and proactive measures, IT professionals can mitigate this risk effectively. Remember that a well managed virtual infrastructure not only improves performance but also enhances the security posture of the entire system. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video to be informative, give it a thumbs up. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more insightful content. Stay safe and see you in the next video. Bye now.